How we doing today? My name is Corey Norris, and thanks for watching my video and checking out my my channel. We have a little short introduction here going on with my leads and secret, and are these leads converting into sales? And the answer for that is yes. I'm here inside the group of my lead and secret, and Travis Alexander 14 hours ago reads successful successful recoveries, $37 commission from second account, and 104 Warrior Plus commissions. Thanks for the buyers list. So he's using these leads to promote Warrior Plus products, and with this you're able to have up to as many accounts that you like, but one account will do you fine. But he's using these leads daily, mailing out daily, and he's seeing results with these leads daily. And not just him are getting results with these leads. Just 5 days ago, Frank Cabello Jr., it has been 1,635 days since I joined this low ticket offer. I get 200 new leads, new email leads per day on complete autopilot, and the ability to send in an email to everyone on the list, emailers included. This is not a big money maker, but is averaging $58.56 per day in passive affiliate commissions. And this is just 5 days ago, and he's showing his results, and he's using a tracker so that he know that these leads are coming from My Lead Gen Secret. Social plan is on fire. New sale and now into profit this month using a ClickBank offer. So Words plus ClickBank's at-home business-based opportunities you can use to send to these leads every day and be able to turn these leads into paying customers. I want to go here and show you tips with Dave. Down here, this is just October, but it's been 4 days since the last post. Another 2 sales from the first week. That's 5 sales total this week from 2 emails, all part of being consistent. And you see here, Dave is using a tracker, and these leads have come from My Lead Gen Secret. Now, I'm going to be I've already sent out my daily email, and I wanted to show you guys with these emails I've already sent out today. I'll go to the home page. So today is the 9th. I've just sent this out, so no one's opened and clicked just yet. I have 9,000 leads to send using this mailer. I've been with it over 3 months, and it has brought me leads, sign-ups, sales within my own opportunities in business. That's why I'm happy to share this bulk mailer with you and continue to promote My Lead Gen Secret as a traffic source and a way to bring leads into any opportunity that you have with your at-home based business. Now, one of my primary offers is Infinity Processing System. So I sent out an email for the IPS, as you can see here where my arrow is pointing for IPS. I sent the email out. Was so happy that's been going on with some different things in the system. I also talk about my 6-figure marketing system, and I want to show you how this marketing system is going to explode and how it's helping other entrepreneurs with their other products and offers be able to sell their offers on complete autopilot. Inside of the marketing system, they have a multi-stream system where you can add up to 3 of your offers into one promotional email. So if I roll down here, it has a multiple stream income for My Lead Gen Secret. Let's check that out. because I want you to see that you can use this to promote your first stream of income, which is IPS for me, Infinity Processing System, which is a attraction marketing course that pays you 100% to direct member-to-member sales opportunity, which you can earn up to $300 to $600 a day. And then it will give you income stream number 2, which is the marketing system. Has a whole video sales page on how the marketing system works, and at a affordable price for $150 one-time payment. It's yours for life. You'll be able to use this system to promote any opportunity in business with. And if you come down here, it gives you income stream number 3, which is My Lead Gen Secret. Think that's awesome, you guys. You'll be able to compact your primary offer, the marketing system, and a way to get leads to the offer, to your primary system and your marketing system, which I use is My Lead Gen Secret. So if I clicked here, it'll send you to my capture page and my lead page for My Lead Gen Secret for anyone who wanted to join with it. And it's really simple to set up. When you get inside of the system, how you would do that is you'll come over here to your tab, you'll click on My Profile. Under My Profile, if you can see here, income stream number 1, IPS marketing system. They have one for Traffic Powerline. I'm not with Traffic Powerline, so I would not be using them. Udemy is a solo ad vendor. I do use Udemy, so I will be adding my affiliate link in there so that I can use another multiple income stream system to promote Udemy. And My Lead Gen Secret, if you can see, I put my sizzle page in there to capture everything that I wanted to go in there. So that, and you'll click save, and that's how you will load up. That's how you will load your links into the marketing system when it comes to My Lead Gen Secret. You don't have to jump off topic. So I did use My Lead Gen Secret to send out an email to promote my main offer, which is Infinity Processing System. If you want to know more about that, I have the link down in the description. And you can always go into my channel. I talk about Infinity Processing System quite a lot because I truly trust it. I enjoy using it. The training is very easy to understand, and it works. The training works. I show plenty of proof and plenty of people that's getting that's having success with the opportunity. Now this marketing system is awesome because you can bring all those opportunities into one place, and I wanted to show you that. So if you don't know how to market your My Lead Gen Secret, they have a way to get your opportunity into other people's eyes with my 6-figure marketing system. Again, that's in the link in the bottom of the description. I don't want to hold you guys up too much longer. But these leads do work. They are highly susceptible, and people are having great success with them. And I'm going to leave you with that one. I'm going to go ahead and get off to the next project I have to do today. Again, those details are in the description. You guys have a wonderful day.